In this video, I'm going to take one live trade with my powerful strategy. All of this strategy has brought over $86,000 in a year. If you feel like everything is too saturated, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy with 75 to 80% win ratio. I know there are dozens of videos about trading, but I'm confident that what you will learn in this video is something that you have never seen before. Don't worry, if you have no experience at all, this quick deep explanation will open your eyes to a whole lot of information. So make sure you watch the entire video because there is something in here for everyone. Like I said earlier, I'm going to take one live trade. If this is something that you find interesting, go ahead and smash the like button so this video can reach out to more people who are interested in content like this. If you're here for the first time and you do want to continue to see this type of content again in the future, do it to also subscribe, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So that being said, guys, let us start. So guys, let us analyze this chart. You can see that this is a downtrend. Now the reason is because if you go by price action, if you see that this is a low, now this is a high, and this is a higher low. By price action, the market is supposed to create a higher high, which will be higher than this one somewhere around here, but the market failed to do that. You can see now this is a higher low swing. It's not supposed to be broken when we are having an uptrend, and now you can see that this higher low swing has not been broken and the market failed and created new low, which is a sign that the market structure, the market is now trying to go in favor of the sellers, which is very obvious. And now we can consider this to be a run. This is a retracement, this is a run, and this is a retracement. And again, we will draw some lines to be able to validate our claims. You can see that on this level, this is a very nice trend line, which is now indicating to us that the market is in the favor of the sellers. We are going to use this scale for this very trade. Now we can see this is the high, now this is the low, this is the lower high, this is the lower low, this is the lower high, and I missed this because this is a very smooth trading opportunity that I would have placed. You can see that this is a very nice trade opportunity. I always trade like this. If you are here for the first time, you may not understand, but those who have watched my video before, you see this is one of my strategy. I would have placed my trade when I have this breakout, but I was not here at that time. And then you can see now that the market is falling, we can still decide to place a trade only in favor of those sellers, because now this is a seller's market. So I'm going to take this off. This is now going to be of no use, so I'll take this off, and we will look to see if we can have a chance to place our trade in favor of the sellers. Now what we do is we will wait for the market to get some weaknesses, maybe a little retracement like what we have here. The market should consolidate a little bit, and then we can have a strong entry in favor of the buyers, of the sellers rather, and then we can place our trade. So what I will do is I'm going to use this low scale. What I will do is I'm going to draw a trend line. I am not sure I will be able to do that. No, I'm taking this off. So what I will do now, I have some weaknesses. You can see in form of this. You can see that these are very strong weaknesses in the market. I'll make this white so you can see. Now you can see that these are weaknesses, and if we can have a strong entry from the buyers, from the sellers in this market situation, we are going to place our trade. But I want to have some good pattern. I want to have a little bit of an uptrend, of an uptrend in this low scale. I want the market to create some, maybe probably some little higher highs here, and then we can have a pattern. Then we can have, or wait for some breakout. If we cannot have all those breakouts, we will look for a very strong entry. Since we have all the breakouts, we will look for a very strong entry in favor of the sellers, and we're going to place our trade. Now the next level, since we now have the market has now met this level, I'm sure the market is going to hit this level next. So let's see, this is going to be the next destination of the market. I am not saying for sure this is what is going to happen, but according to my analysis, I can be 80% sure that if this level is eventually broken, we are going to expect the market to hit this next level. So what I will do is I'm going to create a zone around this area. So I'm going to include both the bodies and the wicks of the candle. I will use this. Let's zoom in. So I will use this as the zone. Now the market has reversed. I've shied away from this level twice, more than twice. So we see if we can have the market close below this level, and then I'm going to place my trade. My trade is going to run for a period of 5 minutes, so I will have that set up. The reason why I'm going to place this trade is because according to my own analysis, you can see that the market is now in a downtrend. I'm looking at this low scale, so we are going to wait until we have all the evidence to support our claims. For now, we don't have any of these evidences, so let's wait and see what will happen. If we cannot have this, all the evidence is complete, we are not going to place our trade. We are only going to trade if we have the market close below this level. So until then, let's wait. So guys, I've placed my trade. Now I will explain the reason why I have placed this trade. The reason why I refuse to allow this candle to finish before I place my trade is very simple, and we will wait to see what happens at the end of this trade. And at the end of this trade, I'm going to explain everything in detail, the reason why I've placed this trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we've won this trade. Now, though the market has lost momentum for some reasons which are unknown to me, but we have won this trade quite easily. Now let me explain the reason why I have placed my trade. Now let me take this off. You will see that by price action, this is, we start from here, you see this is a low, now this is a high. Now, this shows that the market is now in an uptrend, because considering this is a higher low swing, this is a higher low swing, the market has broken it far above. So we can see that since it's the structure that has been broken, the market is in favor of the buyers, and we will consider this to be an uptrend for some time. And then by normal price action, this is a higher low swing, which is normal. In an uptrend situation, we are going to have higher lows and higher lows. So this is a higher low. If the market wants to continue to go in the direction of the buyers, we are expecting the market to create a new high somewhere around here, a high that should be higher than this one. But the market failed to meet that expectation. Instead, it was unable to create a higher high, and the market reversed from this level and came and broke this higher low swing, which is not supposed to happen if we are having an option situation. So if this had happened, this is a sign that now the buyers have lost the battle, and the market should continue to go down in favor of the sellers. And then you can also see that the market it created a new low here, and then it rose and also created a lower high. Instead of creating a high, it created a lower high, which are the requirements that the market needs to create to be able to show that it is in a downtrend. It created a lower high here. So we applied this level, and it's confirmed to us that yes, our claims are correct, because you can see that this trend has been respected now twice or 3 times in the past. And you can see, for those of you who are looking for strategies, this is a very clean strategy to trade. I love this to trade like this. I've traded this setup multiple times on this channel. You can see, you can learn from them as well and practice, and also look out for this type of setup in the market. When this market broke this level, is a sign that the market should fall, and you can see that it's a winning trade, because I would have placed my trade on this candle. You see the market fell for the next 5 minutes. Though I missed that opportunity, I had to wait for other opportunities to place my trade. Now the reason why I have to wait is because now that we have confirmed that this is a downtrend, we can only look for trade in the direction of the sellers. So in this situation, we are looking for weaknesses. We are looking for a little bit the market can run, and then it should try to retrace for some time. Then we can have it try to run again. Now you can see that when the market came to this level, there were some weaknesses, and we can see that the market was rejecting from this level, which I had to draw out. This is a support level that the market has reversed from. We can confirm that by this level. This market has reversed from this level, which is a sign that it is a strong level. And then we can look for some weaknesses, and then when we have a breakout from this zone, we can place our trade for 5 minutes. And then we have these rejections, the market reverse here and get all the weaknesses that we are looking for, and then eventually we have a breakout, which was in form of this candle, but the market shied away also from this zone. I was going to place my trade if I have the market close below this level, but it was unable to do that. And then when it broke this level, it reversed. But on this candle, I knew that since the market has broken this level, it will surely fall down for some time. Then this candle came, it broke, and then I refused. I didn't allow this candle to finish before I place that trade. Since the market has broken this my level, let me see, since the market has broken this level, I knew that the market will fall. So there was some rejection back to this level. Exactly on this level, I placed my trade, and though the market lost some momentum, we have now won the trade. I was expecting the market to hit this level in the future, but it didn't happen. All the same, what is more important is that I have won this trade. My analysis was correct. The market is now reversing back, but that doesn't matter anymore. I placed my trade for 5 minutes and I have won this trade easily. So this is everything about the trading setup. I hope you've learned something and you can apply the same whenever you decide to trade. So on this note, I'm going to end this trading section, and I will see you again soon. If you have any questions, do well to drop them on the comment section. I am very good at replying to comment from my viewers. If you find any value in this video, go ahead and smash the like button so this video can also reach out to more people who are interested in content like this. If you're here for the first time and you like what you saw, do well to also subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So on this note, I'm going to end this session here, and I will see you again soon. But till then, make sure you keep trading, make sure you keep working hard, and have a good day.